Hey gang, welcome to Talking eBay. So yesterday I made a video and I took it down because I'm doing this giveaway for this eBay tumbler. I'm changing the rules a little bit. Some of the people made some comments. They already subscribed to the channel. So what I'm doing is I'm changing the contest. So the contest is, I'm still wanting to get to 500 subscribers, but anybody who comments on this video, you could be a current subscriber or a new subscriber, will also be entered into the contest. So if you put your name below here and just say, enter me in the let's just make it easy. I'm in. Just type in I'm in as a comment and you'll be entered into the contest. So it doesn't matter if you're a current subscriber or a new subscriber, you'll be in the contest. And once I hit 500 subscribers, I will pull all the names out of this list from this video, and those people will be entered into the drawing, and that's how we're going to do it. Let's go over the tumbler one more time. It's a 25-ounce stainless steel bottle tumbler. It's branded by eBay. They did send this to me to do a giveaway, and I want to just show you what it looks like. This is Talking eBay, so I appreciate you coming in and stopping by. I want to make this fair for everybody, current subscribers and new subscribers. So leave a comment down below in this video. I'm in. Sign, whatever you want to cite, it doesn't matter what the comment. They will make it simple as I'm in. Just put that in the comment below, and you'll be in the drawing. And then I'll do a random pick from everybody whose name is in here, and you have to be a subscriber, and you have to put your name in here as well to win this tumbler. So this is an eBay tumbler. It's stainless steel, as you can see. Let me open it up for you and show you what it looks like. All brand new, branded. It's got a nice handle on it, and I love the color green on it. It's really kind of cool. Close this up. A little handle right here, like I said, and this is what it looks like. So I took down the other video because I said only 500 subscriber wins, and I don't think that's fair. I think everybody that's a current subscriber and new subscriber should have a chance to win this eBay tumbler. So leave a comment down below. You must be a subscriber, and just say I'm in, or sign me up, or whatever you want to write for comment. I don't care, but write something below on this video only, and I will pull a name from this video. So when I get to 500 subs, that's when I'm going to do the drawing. So let's do it. That's way it's more fair for current subscribers and new subscribers. And I appreciate your time. Thanks for tuning in to Talking eBay. And definitely follow along for more videos. We're talking about all kinds of things changing with eBay. They're doing some more eBay lives on location. The shipping things have changed. First class has changed, but it's really kind of the same. We'll go over all that stuff. So follow me along. I appreciate it as always. And thanks for tuning in and watching Talking eBay. See you at the next one.